Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to use the new image went on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your device is compatible. For iPhones, you need an iPhone 15 Pro or newer. For iPads, you need an iPad Pro with an M1 chip or later. You also need iOS 18.3 or newer. So go to Settings, tap General option from there and see the software update option from there and make sure your iOS version is the latest. Once updated, opens the Notes app, create a new note like this, and then tap the sketch icon to draw something. For example, a circle, a triangle, or a box like this. Okay, then here comes the fun part. The image when tap the icon that's half black and half colored. Then circle your drawing, add a description like house and tap done. The app will generate different images based on your sketch. Pick the one you like, then save or share it. You can do this for multiple images. For example, let's try drawing a sun, circle it and describe it. The app will create variations of the sun. You can move and adjust the image however you like. That's it. I hope this video helps. If so, consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tricks. See you next time.